Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is summertime in Bend, Oregon, a day in the life vlog. So essentially what I'm doing today is I'm just gonna take you through my day, exactly what I'll be eating, exactly what I'll be doing. And today is Saturday in July in Bend, Oregon, so it's a really good time. It's my favorite month of the whole year because it's nice and warm and I go in the river pretty much every day. So that's what this video is about. If you've been seeing my videos for a while, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this type of video, if you want me to make more of these type of videos or not. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for checking it out. Hope you enjoy. And here it is, a day in the life in summertime in Bend, Oregon. Good morning, Pipsqueak. Good morning. This is a nice park near my house. Okay, now it's about 10:15 and I just pulled up to the gym. I'll be doing a strength training workout today and it's gonna be pretty simple. I'm gonna do a set of pull-ups, a set of squats, probably jump squats, and then a set of push-ups. And I'll just be doing probably 2 rounds of that. So here we go. Okay, that was a great workout. It only took me about 30 minutes or so. It was simple. It was just a set of pull-ups, set of jump squats, and a set of push-ups. And I did 2 rounds, so I did 6 sets total. I took a couple minutes break in between each set and stretched out, warmed up beforehand and stretched out after. So just headed over now to the grocery store. I got to pick up some food, so here we go over there. And these are the watermelons right here. Yummy. All right, now it's about 12:30, just got back from the store. We're gonna head down to the river, the Deschutes River on the e-bike, have some fun at the river and meet my wife down there and get an acai bowl, so let's get going. So the Deschutes River is only about 2 miles from my house. And the cool thing is there's some little side cuts you can get through, so you don't even have to go on the street all that much. So that's the way I usually go. So there's some cool houses right along the river. Pretty neat. There's the river, a bunch of people floating on there. There it is, we got Mount Bachelor in the background. That's where we ski in the winter. Got a bunch of people floating, paddleboarding. So after the acai bowl, I'll be out there. This is pretty cool. They have a spot where people can surf, and then we got some rapids for the inner tubes. So we do these inner tubes usually a few times every summer. So we got some acai bowls at around 1 p.m. It had extra berries and 3 extra bananas that I brought with it. Super delicious. Good way to start it off right by the river, enjoying the acai bowl. Nice little spot here. Is it nice and warm? Ah, feels good. On the paddleboard, just took a jump in the river, was swimming around, super refreshing. We'll be paddleboarding around here for about an hour, enjoying the sun and the cool water. Then I headed back home, and at 4 p.m. I cut up that watermelon I had bought from earlier, the Yumi watermelon. Super delicious. These things are absolutely amazing. Had a huge bowl of watermelon. There it is right there. Then at 6:30, I had dinner. I started with a bowl of strawberries, and I made a big salad. It had mixed greens, cucumber, avocado, apple, tomato, carrots, dates, and some of this pasta salad I had on the side with it. Very delicious. And then I was still a little bit hungry, so I had a slice of Dave's bread with some peanut butter on top and a banana and some almonds. All right, it's 7:30 p.m. Just finished eating. In the late afternoon, I did some stuff around the house, took care of some stuff around the house, and now I'm taking my dog on another walk. And then after this, I'm gonna head back home and then get ready, and we're gonna go down on our e-bikes to downtown Bend because they have a summer festival going on. They got some live music and stuff like that in downtown. So we're gonna head down there, just kind of check out the scene, and that's what we'll be doing in just a few minutes. Then we rode our bikes down to the summer festival downtown. It was about a 4-mile ride, and we walked around, ended up having one cider and listening to some music. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the video. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.